Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a Gradle project with multiple modules. So to begin with, create a directory. Let's call it Submodules. I'm gonna cd into it, and there you go. There's nothing. So we do a Gradle in it. Keep the defaults. And for the build script, I'm going to choose Groovy and keep the rest. There we go. Nice. So let's see that it's running and everything went well. There we go. Our Gradle project is ready. The hello world that you're seeing here actually comes from. So the hello world that you are seeing here actually comes from our app source main Java and all that example, and it's being written from this. So to show the differences, I'm just gonna change that to main app. Main app. All right. And then I'm gonna change this. Also, don't forget, if it ever happens that you're renaming a package, that you also change under the module project. And everything should be working the same way. There you go, main application. Okay, cool. Now that we have our main structure, let's create a new folder and let's call it module 1. And under that, I'm going to create a build.gradle file. In the build.gradle file, I'm going to put plugins, specifying that it's a Java project. In the sub-project, there we go. Print statement. There we go. Okay, so now refresh, and under the settings, there we go, I'm gonna include our new module. Refresh. As you can see, our new module is since there's no main class, it won't be picked up. Okay, now let's add a submodule. So submodule 1. Under the submodule, I'm going to create a new build.gradle file. In that build.gradle file, I'm going to specify application as the IDE. Oops. And specify the main class name. And the main class name would be header.app. So in Gradle, and we're gonna add all the different dependencies. But I do want to specify that this project should be built with Java version 11. So Java, Java version 21. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So the project like this, you would just find the main application because nothing else was specified. To run the submodule that we have here, we need to specify which one is running. So, submodule, module 1, submodule. Not found in module 1. So, what happened is we specified module 1, but we didn't specify the submodule. And now, we run the same command, and it works. We are running our submodule. So what happened when we have a second module under? So copy, paste. Well, we could just put this here. Application. And clear. So submodule 2.run, and we can see it found both submodule 1 and submodule 2, and it's running submodule 2. Okay. Let's copy that. I'm just gonna duplicate and call it submodule 2. I'm going to copy that name because I need it. And in our build.gradle, and in our build.gradle file found under submodule 2, we're going to register a new task. And we're going to call it submodule 2 Java exact, and we're going to specify a group to keep some order. So we're saying that it belongs to submodule 2. We specify the main class for that, which is this, and the class path, which is sourceset.main.runtime. And now, how do we run it? Well, it's pretty simple. Instead of writing run, we can specify using the registered name, and that registered name comes from here, and we have our application which is running. I hope that was helpful. Until next time.